Hi, what do you want? Hey, I think you want to eat, but it's not time yet. It's only 4:20. It's not time to eat. Hi. No. You want food or something? Huh? You want food? It's not time to eat yet. It's not time. I know you have to wait till at least 5. Is that okay? Can you wait till 5? I know, I don't have anything on my hands. Can you wait till 5? Can you eat at 5? Huh? Kevin? You don't have to pout. Kevin. Kevin Bacon. You won't even wag your tail? Okay. Hi. Hi, Kevin Bacon. Really? Kevin Bacon. Wag your tail. Kevin. Kevin Bacon. You're that mad that I won't feed you? Kevin. Half an hour. You can eat in half an hour. I know, I said the word eat and you get all... Listen, huh? You okay? Kevin? You okay? Kevin?